What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can block someone on Twitch. So what you're going to do is just go to your Twitch website or Twitch app or anything. So in my case I'm using Twitch website. So here I am in the home screen of Twitch. What you're going to do is just go to your profile and go to settings. Then over here you'll be having options saying security and privacy. Just use it, scroll a bit, and then you'll be having the privacy section where you'll be finding block users, blocking a user you will. So these are some notes. So what you're gonna do is enter the username of the person that you want to block. So let me write someone's name. So let me write name. So name's Eddie. So I have a username of my friend and I'm gonna block him. So you type the username and then just select add. And it says user successfully blocked. So that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. See you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.